artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a penguin for Christmas. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, little artist, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Hi, Valentina is a 5-year-old and she's gonna help me drawing this penguin. So for today's lesson, we're gonna need a pencil and a marker, and we're gonna need some color markers. You guys can also change it for color pencils. We're gonna start first with the marker. So let's grab the marker, and we're gonna start down here doing first the face, and then we're gonna do a hat that is long on the top, okay? So for the face, we're gonna start with a curve for the peak. So we're gonna do a curve.
Made out of cut.
And then we're gonna do a triangle shape. Vale, look at this. We're gonna do a triangle shape like this. Now we're gonna do the eyes. So we're gonna leave a little bit of a space, and we're gonna do one oval shape, and we're gonna fill it with black. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna leave a space and do the other eye. Good. Now that we have our face, we're gonna change to pencil. We need the pencil because this penguin is wrapped on Christmas lights. So we're gonna do the body first with pencil, and then we're gonna work on the Christmas lights.
Ooh.
You get it?
Yeah, but we still need the hat and the Christmas lights on the hat.
Yeah, so we're gonna start first with the inside of the body. So we're gonna trace an oval shape around the face and down like this.
Like that?
Good, yeah. And then we're gonna trace a second oval shape, but we're gonna start from here. We're gonna go around and turn back down.
Like that?
Perfect, yeah. Okay, and this is it for what we need the pencil. So we're gonna put the pencil aside again. And now we're gonna take the marker. And we're gonna start with the feet. So for the feet, we're gonna do 3 circles here. So figure, look, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do it a little bit more together. So put 1 in the middle, in this one. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Good. Now we're gonna do the Christmas lights, okay? He's kind of like tingle on the Christmas lights. So we're gonna start over the feet, and I'm gonna go with a line over and out like this. Good job. Now let's do that line double really close to each other. So it's gonna go like this. This is kind of like the cable of his wrap up.
Just like making it bigger like yours.
Good, perfect. Now at the end, we're gonna close this line kind of like on the bottom line. I wanna get the bottom line, and I'm gonna go around. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna put a couple Christmas lights that are hanging from this cable. So I wanna do that with circles. So we're gonna do one circle.
Yeah, there's a lot.
We're just gonna put 3, 2, and 3. And we can cross the pencil line. So that's why we did this first with pencil. Now let's do one more part of the cable. Now it's gonna go underneath the mouth to the other side. So look at this, Vale. 1 second, Vale. Look first, and then you do it. Do not go. We're gonna come out here, and this line can move a little. We can go down a little and go back in here.
I think I'm gonna do it wavy.
Good job. Now we're gonna do the same line, following exact same thing we did, just close to each other. We're gonna go following this line, and I'm using the tip of the marker just to make my line a little thinner. And when we finish this line, look at Vale, we're gonna grab the bottom line and we're gonna go over the other one. It's okay. Yeah, you connected. That's perfect. So I wanna grab the bottom line and I'm gonna go over the top line. Now let's do the same thing we did on the bottom. We're gonna add some Christmas lights, and let's try to make it the same size. They're gonna be the same size as this ones, okay? So we're gonna start out here, and we can do 1 that is sticking out there, 2, and then we leave a space another one. And you guys can make it even different shape of the lights. We're just keep it simple with circles.
I think I'm doing one like an oval, like that one, like this.
Good. Now we're gonna do the last part of the cable that is wrapped over his head. So we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna start from this side. I'm gonna go up a little, down a little, and to the other side.
And up a little, down a little, up a little, down a little.
Good job. Now let's do the second line. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Second line is going following the same shape. Now we're gonna connect these two lines, the bottom line, and grab it, and I go over the top line, grab the bottom line, over the top line.
That looks like his sunglasses.
Yeah, a little bit. Now let's put the Christmas lights over, okay? So let's try to make it Christmas light, a space, Christmas light, and a space. And we're gonna continue doing that until we reach the other side.
I'm just
See, now he's all tingle, right?
Yeah.
He's getting all tingle. To finish this, Vale, close it, and that's really good. I'm just gonna go with this line. I'm gonna go over and kind of like closer to his feet.
I'm gonna do that.
Good, perfect. Now let's put the marker aside for a minute. Let's do the Christmas hat. The same idea with the pencil.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a little tiny spots in that.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the pencil and we're gonna do a line that goes across the pencil line. We're gonna do one that cross over, and in the other side one that cross over the pencil line a little bit. Good, and now we're gonna join these two, and we're gonna just curve and join here. And this one the same, curve and go here. And if it moves, that's okay. It's actually better if it moves a little. Now we're gonna do the Christmas hat really tall, right? So from this point, I wanna go up and turn back down.
Yeah, so up and turn back down.
Good.
Just
Now,
like a smoothie.
in the other side, the same thing. We're gonna go up, and I wanna follow the line and come back down.
Now it just looks like an elf hat.
It's like a long Santa hat, right?
I mean elf hat. 'Cause
Elf
I can't-
hat?
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah, and to finish the hat, we're gonna do a circle here. So I wanna go and do a circle at the end of the hat. Good job. Okay, now we can change to the marker, and we're gonna do the Christmas light, the same thing we did here. It's gonna go from behind the head, and it's gonna go over the hat to here. Draw. Good job. Now we're gonna do the double line. So from behind the head, here and here.
I really like the penguin.
Me too. In this line, the same thing. We're gonna grab the bottom line and goes over. Okay.
Over the other. Over the other.
Good. Let's do two more lines. So the second line is gonna come from here to here, and then we're gonna do a double. Bottom line over, bottom line over.
Okay, we all know that.
And let's do one more here. Okay, so 1, 2. And we're gonna grab this line. The same thing here, just so it looks like it's around the hat. Good. Now let's do the Christmas lights, okay? This part of the video is gonna go a little faster, but remember you can stop until you finish this part. Good job. Okay, so we have all our Christmas light, and the very last thing we're gonna do is now with the black marker, we're gonna start passing in between the lines that we didn't cross with the marker. So for example, here we're gonna cross, here we're gonna cross, and make sure that you don't cross the marker lines you have. We're gonna respect the marker lines, and we're just gonna trace the pencil lines that we have left, okay? This part of the video is also gonna go a little faster. And there, that's it. We finished this penguin. What do you think? Are you proud of yourself? No, you should. This was like a video that required a lot of steps, and I hope it was easy for you guys to follow. At the end, if you look at the video, and at the end we just erase the pencil lines that we have left.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, and just in case, we're gonna draw way more.
Yeah. Now my favorite part is coming, and that is
Color!
okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out, and I think they're super cute. At the end, what we add is, well, a lot of color, but here for these cheeks, we add a bright pink, really soft coloring just to make some cheeks. And at the end, we went with a gray marker just around the white parts to give it a little bit of 3D shape. And here I also passed underneath the Christmas lights, and it looks like they are really over him. That helps a lot. So, what do you think, Vale?
Great!
Yeah, you did a great job, Vale. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you follow along with us. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.
Bye!